Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
My people, una good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the area when I for the connect with us. So, this country in no balance, so talk as it be. This country no balance. Hold up. Now we there for years. From here to make it now problem, no go area. Problem, no go area. This country no balance, so if anybody tells you the country is balanced, na lie. Nigeria no balance. Nigeria no balance. And Nigeria need quick emergency response as I talk to you. So in fact, Nigeria na the ICU unit. So it needs quick, urgent medical surgical operation. Nigeria need quick, urgent medical surgical operation. They need to perform surgical operation on this country, Nigeria, because you not balance. Talk as it be. Not be nowadays will begin to pretend this country not balance. So many things they wrong for this country. As I just there now, we days I hold up. We days I hold up. Make I put them for front, make una the see. Everywhere block. Everywhere block. So, since morning, this country not balance. Make tell friend truth, they keep friend. Tell friend truth, they spoil friend. What is not good is bad. A country that not balance. Imagine all the tough Nigeria Army base, police college, whether the Air Force or everything they not. No one then south. Nothing. All the better institution, they cannot go north. Not today south. Not today west. Not today east. Now let not today this country. That's why they talk to this country in no balance. Talk as it be. Ata we not here. Now hold up with this so. End protest. End SARS protest. You see by the time it's set, they go, yeah, even network they don't misbehave. This country not balance. Nothing they work. Make we tell ourselves the truth. Nothing is working. Nothing they work. In Nigeria, my balance. Because of bad people. Because of big men. Big men without title. Army general without war. Army general will not go war. Professor without any achievement. Country without future. Poor people without hope. When we they talk as it be, some people go say, "I be spiritual." Every year is spiritual. Everything is not spiritual. This country in no balance. And it need urgent medical surgical operation for this country to move forward. Not in the work. Make we not deceive ourselves again. In all the work. Me I go suggest make Oga Bubu, Grandpa, make it resign. Make it resign. Then all the people there around them, make all of them resign. Because this country, in our balance or my balance, a country in my balance. Because nothing is working. Everything is grounded. You say the answers, you give a new name. You are not. They still be SARS. Now still the same people. More POS, more extrajudicial killing. Not be this country with it. Not be this country with it. And these people now, this new name where they call her now, they don't carry the gun out to. Now the people of South, Southwest, Southeast, now they go see suffer them. Not them. Ian Haye suffer. That's why me, I will continue to the call, make the destroy the Nigeria police structure. Now what scatter and the one. Me they restart again. All the service health commission retire all. They retire. All. Because they are incompetent. Tell friend truth. You know they keep friend. Now let Nigeria say if you talk, they'll say go and cramp him. Go and look for her. We claim that they say they pass freedom of information speech. Now audio. No freedom of information. No freedom of speech. Well, go and look for him. Go and look for her. Country that claim to be independent, but we are still depending on the Western world to give us toothpick. We claim to be independent, but yet we still depend on the foreign aid to move our country forward. And we call that independent. We say our country is, we are celebrating independence, but yet we cannot refine fuel, even kerosene, for our own country. This country is not balanced. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. Yes, they say they pass freedom of information bill. Na lie, na audio. 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 Buhari should resign. He's not fit enough to be leader. He should resign. Make we tell ourselves the truth. 90% of the powerhouse is there for naught. Buhari go open dry ports for Kaduna before Kano. But yet, other states where they get river, when they suppose crazy port, they not crazy port. They burn rice. Yet foreign rice still they enter north 247. They go ye lao. Who thief? Now who we offend for this country? Say na common broadcast now network they break. To tell you how it be. You go load recharge card. Before you make 1 or 2 call. You go do subscription. They go tell you na 1 month subscription. That 1 month subscription and 1 week. Country living under lies. Corruption, the order of the day. All the leaders are corrupt. Corruption, they flow for their body. Even a guy where they say Mr. Integrity na lie. Buhari is not a man of integrity. Talk him as he be. Buhari is not a man of integrity. She's in. Say, come on network. Now rain they fall, so network they break. Now rain they fall, so network they break. Come on rain they fall, network they break. Oga Bubu, leave us alone, leave us alone. Grandpa Bubu, leave us alone, leave us alone. Grandpa Bubu, leave us alone, leave us alone. We have suffered enough in your hand, Buhari. We have suffered enough. We don't suffer it. Come on in at the phone and network not stable again. This country not balanced. Now every day they talk am. Una teach her the joke. Guy, ya blocking. Mona say, oh, this one is street, oh. Now let this country people don't want to touch again because of fear of the unknown. Because of fear of the unknown. How can one man, Tinubu, they decide what happened for Lagos State? That are nonsense. That nonsense. Tinubu, you go sleep, you know, wake up. Who can have here? Unyore or second? Are nonsense. How can one man put a whole state in his pocket? For what? People they say answers. Tinubu people now go to fight them now for Lagos. Tinubu boys now don't go to fight with the answers. And they fight them. Tinubu don't employ people now. I mean the entire street. I mean they go to attack people, they protest. This country not balanced. Talk about CB. Get away no here. Dead body, you know, they fear coffee. So some of us now, we know the fear, we know we die. We will fight this fight to the end. Yeah, this we then everywhere block. Everywhere block. Everywhere block. You say you want change. You say you want change SARS. You give them another name. Now still SARS. Now still SARS. Now who did they deceive? Now who did they deceive? They don't deceive us rich for this country. They don't deceive us rich. Now they open mouth. They say, oh, ASUU should call off strike. For what? Did you meet up with that demand? Did you meet up with the agreement? Have you fulfilled your own part of the agreement? No. And you have the guts to tell ASUU to call off strike. Where did Nigeria Labour Congress? Nigeria Labour Congress, when I don't collect the money, I don't have to go sleep. When I don't collect my own share now, I don't have to go sleep. Nigeria should suffer for their, should cater for themselves. Nigeria should fight for themselves. Abi? When I don't collect my own share now, Nigeria Labour Congress, when I don't collect my own share now, I don't go sleep. We say let Nigeria, if they suffer, they suffer. If they don't suffer, that's their business. Who throws stone for glass has said nothing will happen. The glass go break and the pieces go pierce in her leg. Blood go gush come out. And no hospital go fit you through now. They're everywhere block. Everybody now they find road now to go house. How do they talk? Why you say make a wait?
Come on now, come on.
No road, my people can see it here. See, no road. See, no road. Everybody, here support, here na BDPA. This road was tied before. This road good before. But now, no go area. Make una look, no go area. No go area. Una dey see teach on ourselves. No, this one na BDPA. Tia, mona dey see Nigeria. Wahage Nigeria. This one a major street for BDPA. Grand Joti Kubara. No more to the state part. Nobody pass here again. Now because of roadblock. Mona you see. When they talk say Nigeria not balance, some people just have a joke. In Nigeria not balance. Oh, we might have 1 minute. We not no go do one. I bet John suffer. Anyway, thank God. I mean, they drive itself. So John, me just they watch and me just they follow me, eh? Because I make I still be your driver today. My pomona they look. Ew. Now they see erosion. Now they see erosion for side BDP. Let this want to move. Oh. Yeah. People now they see. When they say Nigeria not balanced. Nigeria not balanced. They made this son not sing this motto. People now they see things. Hold up. People they find where to pass, enter house. Nigeria no balance. Nigeria ma balance. Nigeria ma balance. Nigeria no balance. Oh. Nigeria no balance. So you need to go. They need to perform surgical operation for Nigeria now. Get now with surgical operation, we need a medical doctor to. We need to take Nigeria to the theater now. See my people, everywhere block. Don't worry, we'll soon shut down the airport. They're not going to fly again. The airport will be shut down. completely. The airport will be shut down. They will never travel out of this country. We are getting there gradually. We are going there gradually. We are getting there. That no leader will travel out of this country. Will shut down the airport. So this country not balanced. Buhari, you must resign. Motonet is Zima, Edo Zima, hey, Sagraba. Maybe like one chance in a very now. Moto Zine. The Maggie, I would be married by Buna. Monasio. The motor does sink. When I say, when I enjoy ourselves this evening, motor does sink. If I'm now. Erosion there everywhere. Me I know if it come down. John know if it come down because what to do? And the country will find ourselves. Now, wow. So, my people, but may Buhari resign. Oh, Buhari should just resign. Sharp. Buhari resign. Sharp. Resign. Sharp. Resign. Okay. Buhari resign. Oh, let Buhari resign. Buhari resign. Sharp. This country not balanced. Oh, sure. No road. Make it on the sea. Not on the sea. It's one on the sea. No road. Sure. No road. Sure. Now see gravel. No road. Make it on the. When I enjoy ourselves. Now they see country Nigeria. When I see for the over. When I see country. When I see Nigeria. Wagi Nigeria. Udema. When I the show, everywhere don't block. Udema. Now don't see teach on ourselves. So this country not balanced. Or my balance, gaga. Maybe we share this country. It all time don't need to share that. Gawaga. Gawaga will not. Gawaga. Na ni ma wine ma jivo. Mo share mo jono do wo day. Me the share mo no do wo day. Ni ma jivo. Me the share mo. Me the share mo no do wo day. People. No say difference I talk should not be to answer so. Say Nigeria not to reform. Not be to end them. Not to pull down the structure completely. Pull down the structure. I go the structure ni. I like resolve it. Then the 1999 constitution destroy completely. We need to destroy that. That constitution need to be destroyed. Then we do another one. 1999 constitution need to be pulled down completely because the constitution is not helping us. The constitution is only made for the North. And there's nobody should say one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. Nothing is working in this country. Nothing. Oh my people, no road. People did say that they never try self. Yeah, maybe yeah. It might be here. Only people. So, my people, now road now we define today go as so. With all the wealth. With all the wealth. Ha! Ekbeke out here. Ekbeke out here. Hey, Jimmy. Ekbeke out here. Money ready for the park. It is to develop this country. Some people just sit down, just they pack our money, pack. Dugo mu, pack money, chief. We now the belly full. No, wakwe dugo mu, wakwe fuwa. We now the belly full. My people, now so they pay. So this country not balance or my balance. So now here I go round up this book at this evening. I don't tire. So tomorrow morning I will give you an update. When I do well, this country not balance. Buhari should resign, and the 1999 constitution should be destroyed completely. Let a new constitution be written, and then let everybody find their way, so that we will get peace. My people, when I do well, my name is still Apostle Alfred Odion Uyunosa. Talk calm as it be. So we'll meet tomorrow. By the grace of God, on a good night. I love you all. Politicians you don't put for jail. How many politicians you don't put for jail when they charge for corruption? How many politicians? How many nota politicians they don't put for jail? Tell friend truth, you know the key friend. You are fighting corruption. How many northern former governor, senators, buried up for jail? In a day. The amount of corruption where they go another Buhari, good luck they learn. Former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, he they learn all where. Tell friend truth, you know the K friend. When other country they think how do they make life better for the people during COVID-19? Oga Buhari and the people, they make life miserable for the people. Increase fuel, increase VAT, increase tariff. But yet, our senators, they buy motor jeeps for themselves, 150-something million naira. They buy close to 350. This country not balanced. I will go tell ourselves the truth. You are fighting corruption. How many northern people do not put for jail? How many corrupt politicians do not put for jail for this country? Since you Buhari enter, you say they fight corruption. How many politicians, corrupt politicians, in all day, now they do play bargain? See, Buhari should resign. Buhari resign. If na country where they work, where did he get that money? I owe one man go get half of Lagos State. For what? Where did he get that money? Where did he get that money? Where did he get that money? Oh, someone that do government 8 years, he buy private jet, 11.something billion naira. Where did he get that money? Are you telling us you are fighting corruption? Which corruption? Which corruption are you fighting? The corruption under this government is 200% higher than the one we ever experienced under former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. Talk about it be. Not be this old age, I go see the fear to talk. Not be this old age. So Buhari should resign. We do not have president in this country. Buhari should resign. Resign. All the ministers should resign. The senators should go back home. Yet you tell us you are fighting corruption. Which corruption are you fighting? How many politicians have you tried and put to jail? None. Now to look for small Yahoo boys for streets. When I want to arrest. Small boys when I want to put for jail. Small boys when I want to put for jail. The real thieves, the real Yahoo are the governor and the senator The real G plus are the governor and the president themselves. They are the real G plus. Not be those boys in the street. The rank and file police are suffering. Who did they remit to? They are remitting to their DPO and Inspector General. Tell friend truth, you know the key friend. We did all top since. We did. China, network they break. This country not balanced, or my balance. More the time I tell you truth, this country is not balanced. This country is not balanced. Everything is nothing is working. Nothing is working in this country. We have leaders that are insensitive to the plight of the people. Leaders that something block their ear, that they don't hear the cry of the masses. Buhari should resign. We don't have president for crying out loud. We don't have president. Buhari should resign. Resign, okay, resign. Enough of those audio promises. Telling us you're a man of integrity, sir. You are not a man of integrity. Because under your watch, no politicians have been to jail. No politician has gone to jail. With all the stealing, with all the looting. And somebody will tell me, oh, Buhari should resign. See, everywhere block. Everywhere block. Make I put up on front camera, I want to see something for myself. Look at it. Everywhere block. Everywhere block. Now they see it on ourselves. This country not balanced. A country that not balanced. See everywhere block. So the people that want to they enter another lane. But I say, and this country is not balanced, so more tell ourselves the truth, oh, this country not balanced, so this will not be fair to on a faith declaration. This will not be fair to say it is well, oh, na lie, oh, it is not well with this country, oh. It not well, oh. Talking about CBO, it is not well with Nigeria, oh. Nigeria is sick. Nigeria need urgent medical surgical operation. Make una say that line now, those people don't dead there since morning. Una remember when I first do broadcast today, those people don't dead queue since morning. This one I don't enter on that line. We have to find where to pass. This country is not balanced. Make we not deceive ourselves. This country is not balanced. All the military apparatus na not. All the generals na not. All his police inspector na not. So what is happening? What is happening? Yes, so Nigeria not balanced. But tell ourselves the truth. We don't deceive ourselves, rich. I claim a faith on a high faith declaration. On a high faith declaration, this is real. Talk about it be. Talk about it be. People now they trek, they go out this morning. This morning. This country is not balanced. And all the crumbs of leaders we have should resign. Starting from Buhari. Buhari should resign. Not be to answers. Buhari should resign because he's not competent enough to be a leader of this country. A man that is insensitive, a man that does not bother, that does not care about the plans of the masses, and you call that a president? No. I stand to be corrected. That is not a president. That is not a president. A man that does not have human sympathy, a man that does not care if the masses are suffering, and you call that a president? No, I disagree with you. That is not a president. Buhari should resign. Me, Apostle Alfred, I am joining other well-meaning Nigeria to call on the president to resign, to please resign. Because he's not fit enough to be a leader in this country. It's not fit enough. For the first time that Buhari ruled this country, now Buhari now introduced austerity. Nigeria don't survive. Now you come back for the second time, you say change. Change without development. Now you say next level without proper planning. This country not balanced. But we don't let deceive ourselves again. Now we go church pass. Now we go church pass. Now we pray pass. So this rubbish. Enough. We can't take it anymore. We cannot take it anymore. We can't take it anymore. We cannot be suffering and smiling. We cannot be in the midst of the river and soap is still entering our eyes. No way. We can't take it anymore. We can't take it anymore. See Nigeria. She put pikin for steering. See what they talk now. See this woman now. Mona see this woman now. He put pikin for steering. Una see what they talk. Mona look this man now. He will pikin the drag steering. Una see what they talk now. See this woman. She pikin. She have for steering. Una they see it on herself. Nigeria una they see. Una they see it on herself. So me. Yeah, me. Me. What kind of a country is this? Gross injustice. Hello. Nigeria. Oh. Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria? Which way do go?
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.